Hi, this video is about reviewing and submitting your time card in the field point system. So as you see here, this is our appointment manager view. This is where we enter in our time. And there's two ways to easily review your time card. The first way to get to the review screen is to click on the time card number up here on the top. And this is going to show us all of our ins and out entries for the whole week. So we're going to review our time card on a weekly basis, and we're going to submit it when we're ready to submit it, if it's all good with our review. Let's see, so it'll sort by the latest entries first. So you see here on 7:30 to 5:30, we did PTO on June 9th, and that's a good. And then on June 8th, we did, 8 o'clock to 1300, 1330 for lunch. And then our end shift was 13:30 to 18:30. So we did 5 hours, 30 minutes, and 5 hours. And we didn't overlap our time. So that day looks good. And if we reviewed our whole week from right here, we could go ahead and push the submit button, and that'll change the status to submitted. So let's go over the one other way to get to this screen. Another way to get to this screen is by clicking the 2 dots here, going to resources, and going to timesheets. And right here, it's going to review all your weekly time cards for the whole time, all your weekly time cards that you have. So it'll show weekly time card, June 7th to June 13th, 31 to the 6th. So each line is a week. So to make this time cards option your favorite, you click on this drop down here, and you make this a favorite. And this timesheets menu here will be your favorite by clicking on the home page, and you'll have the timesheets. It'll take you right here so you can view all your weekly timesheets that you've entered. And we're going to review this last one that we entered. And it's going to take us to that same screen that we just saw, where we could see all of our ins and outs for the time entries. And there's our PTO. There's our start for 5 hours. There's our lunch for 30 minutes. There's our end shift for 5 hours. And if we reviewed the whole week, everything looks good, we'll go ahead and push the submit button. And it'll change the status to submitted, and it'll get approved by the appropriate person. And that is all we have to do to review our time card and make sure it gets submitted every week when we're done with all our entries. All right, thank you.